Welcome to syncX, Order Export, an app that automates exporting with support for almost any custom formatting. Today, we'll guide you through automating data export from Shopify to Google Sheets. To begin, click the Create New Order Export and choose Custom Order Export. You'll see a schedule column with Export Now, Set Schedule, and Download buttons. Before setting a schedule, we need to complete the settings below. Click Add Export Field to select your preferred export fields, then save. You can delete unwanted fields using the Delete Field button. Next, click on Filter Sources Settings. The first step is to filter orders for export. First section is Status of Order. This includes sections for order status, fulfillment status, payment status, and order risk. Set your preferred filters for each status. For date range selection, choose from 3 options: orders since a specific day, orders older than a certain date, or a custom date range. In the Filter by Column section, apply and/or conditions to your filters. For example, you can set the column name to Fulfillable, choose to exclude, and enter a value. The advanced sorting settings allow you to add alternate export values and sort by field and direction. Click Next to continue. Step 2, choosing your export method. Select Excel as the file type. Export via Google Sheets. Enter your Google Sheet URL and sheet name. In the advanced settings, configure order tagging, date, time format, time zone, currency, and quote preferences. Once you've made all necessary selections, click Finish. Now you can set a schedule to automate runs at your preferred time or export manually. You also have the option to download as XLSX. For Automate Order Export, you can enable schedule time and set exported frequency and time. Thank you for using syncX, Order Export. We hope this tutorial has helped you understand the app better.